Well, I learned my lesson the hard way. If you accidentally upload an age-restricted video, and what I did is I screwed myself because I titled the video, I effing hate my life. If you use a curse word in the title of a video, it gets age-restricted. Who would have thought? If I was stupid enough to upload it like that, not realizing that an age-restricted video would cause my YouTube account to become like shadow banned so people don't see it. I deleted it after 20 minutes after I saw it was age restricted. And I was like, I wonder if an age restricted video would have any impact on my number of views that I get for that video and for other videos. I looked it up, and yes, it'll tank all your views for all your videos in your channel. Your channel goes down the algorithm for one age restricted video. So now, like, I'm not getting nearly as many views as I used to. Like, I uploaded two videos like an hour ago. They're still at zero views, when usually after an hour they have like 10, 15 views. But especially they're supplement review videos. Most of my highest viewed videos, a lot of them, are supplement review videos. So, yeah, I mean, it sucks, but hopefully I'll figure it out. I might have to start a new channel if this continues to be a problem. I need to rebrand anyway. The only thing that's nice about having this channel is I could change the title of the YouTube channel, and then I could rebrand it and also keep all the benefits of having this many subscribers, which means I can upload longer videos, and there's all sorts of benefits to that. Having lots of a certain amount of viewers and being and uploading a certain amount of videos, you get more and more freedom in terms of what you can do. You can access more features. So yeah, I'd hate to start over from zero, but I think I have an old YouTube account that has like 500 subscribers that I don't know how to access, but I could probably figure it out. But yeah, this sucks. You live and you learn. Anytime you start anything, don't be afraid to start badly. So it's all a learning experience. It's really not about the viewers anyway. It's about me being able to look back. But I did want to develop a community of other people who are interested in this. So it is kind of a bummer, but I'll figure it out.